But why he should be afraid of the investigation? If yeah, my
You
lord,
should be afraid of departmental inquiry. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
But
ಇರಿ.
if-
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ 4 ಜನ? ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ why RTO is behind them?
No. All these fancy cars on a weekend go to Madikeri and other places.
So you follow them, is it?
No.
Lord, he sending a request on Instagram to my wife. Lord, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
I'll get this instruction.
Ah.
But I don't think, but anyway, I'll get the
You
instruction.
don't think, get instructions.
All these are above law. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ above law.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೇಡ, comments ಬೇಡ.
Fancy cars.
Comments ಬೇಡ. ಯಾರು above
ಆಮೇಲೆ
law-
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ.
Lamborghini. Oh, SPP is here.
Lord,
Will pass, will reserve it.
the vehicle could be released. Lord, the matter could be. Lord,
Record
there-
could be released.
No, the matter will be alive. The interim order by way of interim release with conditions, my lord.
That he will not change the color of Lamborghini.
No, indemnity bond that he should execute and not to leave the jurisdiction of this court, because my lord, there are instances where the cars are taken away out of the state and my lord, thereafter the traces are not found. So indemnity bond and that he will not change the nature of the vehicle.
ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಸತೀಶ್. ಓ, ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಲ್ಲಟವಾಗಿದೆ. Yes. I would reserve.
So,
Will pass an order.
But, as the SP, learned SPP would say, interim order, interim release could be.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ will.
And the stay should be vacated because I'll have to carry on with the investigation and find out who the, yes. The
All
case will remain.
complete order will pass.
Yes. Case will,
2
so
days.
that the court can monitor.
Wait.
The court can monitor the investigation that will take place as against everybody.
I will give you the order. 2 days.
As
ಇಷ್ಟ
against.
ದಿನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? 2 days ಇರಿ.
But submission my learned friend is making regarding investigation and stay and all that. Forgery and
Whole hog I will pass an order.
No, investigation should go on, of
submission
course.
is made in
Yes.
relation to payment of tax.
No.
And
No.
now
Forging is there.
8A
Nothing is
ಎಲ್ಲ
made.
8A ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ?
Yes.
ಇದೆ.
Friday I'm not there, no.
ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, but the investigation will go.
ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
Oh, investigation will go on, my lord, and the station.
I
that
don't
is-
know how, why SPP is.
No. My lord, I have placed on record.
ಅರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ, but ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ without giving the names which my lord is again and again asking.
That's why this court will monitor the investigation.
Where are the names?
ಅದ್ ನೇಮ್
Now
Yes,
this-
I have the names,
ಬಿಡಿ.
but I cannot give offhand because
Ah,
they should.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
No, what I'm
ಮತ್ತೆ
saying
ಬರ್ತಾ
is.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
No.
ನನ್ ಕಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇವ್ರು
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
No.
They are not able to give the name.
Name is there, my lord, Ramesh Suresh ಇಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು.
ರಮೇಶ್
ಯಾಕೆ
ಸುರೇಶ್
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ
ಅಂತ.
I have asked the additional commissioner.
This is really my lord,
No.
targeting,
No.
harassing one individual
No.
and one
I
car.
have asked the additional commissioner to find out.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
I have asked the
ಒನ್
additional.
ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕಾರ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾರಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಒಂದ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
In relation to one car.
No.
That's
My lord, the additional commissioner would say it should be ascertained as to who had the passport at the relevant time and at what point of time that portal was deleted. All these will have to be found out.
ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್
Alla, portal.
ಹೋಟೆಲ್.
Remove agi, that has to be given to the police for him to take action. So therefore, crime will remain and the interim order to be vacated, the vehicle to be released is my
They
submission.
can register against the other person.
No,
sir.
no, why
ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್.
Vehicle will be released, Lord, subject to condition that indemnity bond to be executed so that the car is not taken away from the jurisdiction. Lord, all the cars, when intercepted, the next day, my lord, it is gone.
Nothing
It
is
is gone
placed
out
on
of,
record. Nothing is
without
placed
a
on
trace.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ 4 ಜನ?
ಸ್ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 12 ಗಾಡಿನ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. 12 ಗಾಡಿನ
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಸ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ನೀವು
ಸ್ಕ್ವಾಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ why RTO is behind them?
No. All these fancy cars on a weekend go to Madikeri and other places.
So you follow them, is it?
No. The squad is constituted with a team of 5 to intercept vehicles and find out whether tax or other things are in order. So these vehicles may not once.
So ಈಗ ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಎಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೂ
ತುಮಕೂರು ಕಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತುಮಕೂರು,
ಎಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೂ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕನಾಯಕನಹಳ್ಳಿ
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದಾಗ
And
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
this particular
ಊರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Kurkalla, that was because his car was there on the particular day. About a week prior to that, he escaped from the
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
authority.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್
ತೋರ್ಸಿದೀವಿ.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ
ತೋರ್ಸಿದೀವಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಾವು. ಎಂಡಾರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಎನ್ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಪೀಡಿಯಾನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ.
I don't understand why such
Encyclopedia.
personal nature
No.
allegations are being made.
Admit your guilt.
Let it be
it
be
your
on
guilt.
record.
Yes,
If
I
the
placed it
complaint
on the
shows, apparently the same complainant was there in Madikeri also.
No, it is not a
He
complaint.
should have said so.
It is not a complaint. It is,
Lord, every day
Ah.
something new is coming up. Kindly, my lord, protect me. This is all that I ask.
Good.
Every day.
I will pass now.
But why he should be afraid of the investigation?
Ah.
If, yeah, my
You
lord,
should be afraid of departmental inquiry, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
but
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ.
if tax invoice which he has produced
Ah.
is not fake, why he should be afraid of my lord, investigation?
why should he be?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆದ್ರು ಅಂತ.
What
He
a
signed
point,
the
sir.
application.
What a point.
ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆದ್ರು ಅಂತ.
ಹಾ.
ಅವ್ರು
Lord,
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆದ್ರು ಅಂತ.
Why I am
you should be
making this
afraid?
submission?
Hmm.
Lord, he is making request. Lord, he is sending a request on Instagram to my wife. Lord, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
Lord, he cannot make, Lord, these kind of development.
cannot be taken lightly also. This
But this
man,
cannot be, Lord, taken lightly for this reason.
ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೊಡಿ.
Lord, he is sending messages to my wife.
Give that, give that.
his son is doing that.
His
Now
son.
after that. Lord, all these are big
ಅಲ್ಲ,
shots.
ಇವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಜನ ಈ ತರ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, evidence
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
It could have been different. I didn't
No, what
expect
I'm-
it to be like
it's
this.
a fact that
No,
It
you
is
are-
a fact. It is a
No, sir.
fact.
Who is this Akhil?
His son,
His
petitioner's son.
petitioner's
Whose son?
son.
Petitioner's son.
Petitioner's son.
He was the one who
is,
was.
my lord, making request to, he's repeatedly sending messages
To your wife?
to my wife.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My instructions are no
Crime
such thing.
register ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes.
ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಾ.
Let him do it.
All this.
Let him do it, my lord.
Why do you want- why do you
No,
want
it is
all
not
this?
there. I have not given.
Sorry.
His wife is there also in the car
Sorry,
detailing
sir.
industry.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Why do you do all
ಅಲ್ಲ
this?
ಇದು ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ.
ನೀವು
I will
ನೆನ್ನೆ
take it.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ನಾನ್ ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. Without serving
ಯಾವ್ದು
copy
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ?
on us, my lord, he has,
Why do you indulge in all this? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
I'll get this instruction. my lord.
ಹಾ.
But I don't think, but anyway, I'll get the
You
instruction.
don't think, get instructions.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
What is this, Venkatesh?
my instructions are here. No
That's
such-
all right, but why do you do all this?
We would have verified it had we received this earlier.
No, you verify it. This is not correct, and verify and ask him to stop
it
all
right
this.
now. My learned friend was holding in his hand. He could have given it earlier.
He just got it.
ತಾವು
Just got the information.
ತಮಗೂ
ನಮ್ಗೆ
ಸಿಕ್ತಾ?
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು
ಹೌದಾ,
find
ತಮಗೂ
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಸಿಕ್ತಾ?
ಅದು ತಮ್ಗೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕ, ಅದು ಒಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ?
if required, my lord, I will file an
Just because I have approached this,
No, that's all right. Just because you can't do all this.
no, I'll, if it is there, I will ask
You
him
will
to.
lose any leniency shown towards.
No,
the-
absolutely, no.
towards
If it
the-
is there, I will ask him to, I will
Yes.
instruct him to take it.
This should not happen.
If it is there, I'll ask him to take it.
A few moments later.
139.
139 ನಿಮ್ದ?
Request ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಹಾ.
ಕಳಿಸಿದಾರಂತೆ, because she was friend earlier, because she was also in car detailing industry.
Oh.
They were also in.
But
And
don't-
I will
don't
ask
do
him
that.
to, I will ask him to,
Why do you give occasion to all that?
I will ask him to
ಬೇಕಾ
cancel.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ extraneous to the case, but why needed?
I will ask him to cancel.
Yes.
I didn't know it could treat. he
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
didn't
whatever.
tell me. I will ask him to, he cancelled it. Right now, he
Who was
cancelled it also.
the senior IM's wife was in car
Car detailing industry. She was in car detailing industry.
He shut it down after some raids happened.
No, my lord, I have taken a, my lord, instructions.
Hmm.
He is not in, my lord,
car detailing industry.
No, no.
Not today, she was.
ಆಯ್ತು, anyway, that detail is not
Now,
necessary.
now we have cancelled also. Cancelled that request. also.
Alla, this request is received by her on 14th.
ಆಯ್ತು,
No,
ಈಗ
not-
ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ,
Cancelled, we have requested, cancel request ಮಾಡಿ. Request cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ ನೀವು?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
It's not like Facebook, don't worry. Instagram.
accept ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
All these are above law. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ above law.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬೇಡ, comments ಬೇಡ.
Fancy cars,
Comments ಬೇಡ. ಯಾರು
Comment
double or-
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಸಾಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, my learned friend made a submission.
Without any
that, my lord,
proceedings, coming and taking
no
away the
request
car,
is made. That is, my
I
lord.
will answer all that.
I'm sorry.
Is it a time for a
I'm
repartee
sorry,
here?
I'm sorry.
Yes.